When it comes to maintaining your car, knowing what not to do is just as important as knowing what to do. While some mistakes might seem obvious, others are less apparent but can still lead to significant issues down the line. So here's a rundown of 5 things you should never do to your car. So the first thing might be a bit obvious, but it's often overlooked by a lot of people, and it's using the wrong wash tools. By doing this, you can significantly damage your vehicle's exterior. You should always avoid abrasive materials that can leave scratches and swirl marks. Go for soft sponges or microfiber cloths instead. Remember, using the wrong tools can scratch your car and ruin the glossy finish. The second thing you should never do to your car is revving the engine when it's cold. It might seem harmless, but it can actually cause some severe damage to your car's vital components. When you start your car on a chilly morning, give it some time to warm up before revving the engine. The cold oil needs time to circulate to reach the necessary parts. By revving too early, you risk putting unnecessary stress on the engine and potentially damaging the piston rings, cylinder walls, or even the connecting rods. Let's move on to the third thing you should never do, and it's resting your hand on the gear shift while driving. This harmless habit can actually lead to premature wear and tear on your gear shift and transmission components. Instead, always try to keep your hand on the steering wheel or the armrest. By doing so, you'll ensure that your transmission stays in optimal condition, allowing for seamless gear changes and a longer lifespan for your car. The next thing is applying the handbrake too tightly. This one is more than just overkill. It's going to cause a lot of issues, especially in colder weather. Excessive tension can strain or even snap the handbrake cable, leaving you with an expensive repair bill. During winter, this risk increases as the cable can freeze in an overstretched position. The trick is to apply just enough tension to secure your vehicle, steering clear of unnecessary strain and expenses. The last thing you should never do to your car might be a little less obvious. It's adding too many keys or gadgets to your car's keychain. While it might seem harmless, the extra weight could cause wear and tear on the ignition switch over time. This is why you always want to try to keep your keychain light to avoid unnecessary strain in your car's ignition system. I appreciate you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.